Another day of woodwork, sort of. This is what we're going to do today. Today we're going to take the Ego, 18-inch Ego. Oh man, I didn't get batteries. Dadgummit, I got to go back and get batteries. Anyway, today we're going to cut these big beasts that came from that down to size that we can split in the log splitter. When we bring it over here, we'll have to put the log splitter up in vertical position. Got that one there and that one here. Maybe a few cuts. May have to cut all these stubs off. I could probably get 2 cuts out of it. I don't know if I could do anything with all that. And this one here, I'll cut this piece off here that's sticking out. And then we'll get 1, maybe 2 cuts. I can try to get 2 cuts out of that. So I want to get them down to about this size. And some of these over here so we can put them in the wood splitter in vertical position. And one day maybe you can come over here and see if I can cut that one up in more pieces. We'll see. I could probably get another cut here. I bet I could cut that off. The rest of this, I don't know, maybe carve it into something. Never done chainsaw carving. So that's the plan today. So let's get started. Let's go get the batteries first. Here we go. Here's what we're gonna cut these with. This will be fun. The chain, the bar, the chainsaw won't go through the whole thing at once, so I'm gonna have to do some tricky cutting maybe. Cut all the way around it. So we'll see. We gotta cut this one. This is the biggest one. Then we gotta cut this one. So let's start with this one. So here we go. I brought 2 7-point-amp-hour batteries. I'm thinking maybe I can get through this with 1. We'll see. If not, I got 2. I got a 5-amp-hour battery in the house charging solar right now. It may be already done, so in case I need it. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna set the camera up over here, the GoPro. You can see how this Ego cuts. The Ego, or this one is equivalent to maybe 50 cc, 45 to 50 cc, something like that. Now Ego just came out with a 20-inch commercial grade one, so don't have that, but we'll see. The only design flaw I found on this Ego is this. This is a chain adjuster tightener. It tends to get in the way of what you cut. Sometimes it hits it and turns it. So especially if there's a knot on the log you're cutting, that'll hit that, turn it. So you got to watch that. So that's the only design flaw I've seen. So let's get to cutting. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. First cut, fresh battery, 7-point-amp-hour battery. Cut about here. that design flaw I was talking about? This is that design flaw right here. See how that's hitting the tree stump? It turns it as you're moving up and down on it. So just gotta watch it, be aware of it. There it is. Let's see how many bars we got left. Oh, here we go. 2 bars left. Woohoo! Okay, the battery did heat up, but it cooled off, and I got 1 bar left, so I may use that 1 bar to start a cut over here. But first I'm going to cut this off with a gas chainsaw, so I don't waste the battery. I choked it too much, damn it. Thought I had the choke off. I'm going to take a break. Okay, see if it sat long enough. I'm starting to look at this. That's it. I'm done. No more on this one. 1 battery down, 1 to go. Go this way. Right there. Hit that woodchuck. Okay. With that 1 cut, how many bars we got? 3 bars. I'm gonna make it. Awesome. I'm just gonna come this way. Just not able to go all the way through. Look at that! Look at that! We did it. Well, we did it. We took 2 batteries, 2 bars left. So we got all this cut. These big pieces. Question is when we get the wood splitter over here, stand it up vertically, can we split these? It's going to generate a lot of firewood right here. All this. So the Eagle came through. Ego came through for us again. Really makes me consider if my next chainsaw, should I get the commercial grade 20-inch compared to a bigger steel? I don't know. We'll just have to see. Interesting. Let's see, was it? Interesting grain here on the bottom of this thing. Wonder what happened here. Think about that. The 2 branches there, I assume. Way back in the old days, huh? I think this, maybe somebody can tell me what tree this is by this bark. I can probably take a picture of it and see what Google says, but maybe some of you know what bark this is or what tree this is from the bark. Almost looks like oak, but I don't think it's an oak tree. Might be an elm. We got a couple of elms over here. So, okay, that's what I wanted to do today. Get these cut up, ready for the wood splitter. Because we're gonna have to pull the wood splitter over here, stand it up vertically, and see if we can split these. We'll have to just split pieces, you know, right about it here, and then just break that off, and so forth. So, we'll see. So for now, I'm done. Next week, tomorrow, I think I'm gonna take off. And then, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. It's tomorrow, what is today? Hang on, let me look. What is today? Oh, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. I may take off tomorrow. And Friday, we're gonna start cutting this up. Wife is off tomorrow, so we've got a new device coming in that we can put these things in, and it's easy to cut. So we'll cut this up, maybe even bring the wood splitter over here, see if we could test it out, see if we can cut these or split these. So for now, I'm done. I'm taking the rest of the day off. And go charge these batteries while we got sun. Like I said, we have an Ego power station where we can charge all our batteries by the sun. So let's get these back in there. Okay, I put the batteries back on the charger. It's charging this one first. And flip over and charge this one. It just they kind of go around a little bit. They don't charge at full charge. They kind of go back and forth. But that's charging from the sun, going outside. Cool. Later, y'all. Take care. Be safe and all that good stuff. Later. Bye.